Hi everyone, this is Taylor again with Valleyscape in Marietta. Today I'm continuing the video series that we were starting about the new California sprinkler laws that are going into effect in 2020. These are going to be some big changes, so we want to detail as much as we can. I have one of the sprinkler heads today in my hand, and the question we're going to answer is, well, what makes these sprinklers so much different? On the outside they look the same, but on the inside, in that stem piece inside, it has a restrictor or a pressure regulator that limits how much water and pressure comes out. Hunter and Rainbird designate these sprinkler heads as a PRS 40 or a PRS 30. The PRS stands for pressure regulated sprinkler, and that number is the amount of water pressure coming out. So no matter how much water goes in the bottom, you're typically going to be quite a bit higher than that. It's going to be 30 or 40 coming out, depending on the model you buy. Additionally, these heads are going to be quite a bit more expensive, unfortunately. You will make up for it in water savings eventually, but this head is a typical common 4-inch sprinkler head, and it's going to probably be about $4 or $5 if you were to buy it. If you have a 12-inch sprinkler head, you might unfortunately be looking around like $15 or $20, and those are those big 12-inch ones that are typically used in planters. One more tip I can give you is to, when you change these sprinkler heads and you have to put one of these in, make sure you keep it as clean as possible. Because of that little restrictor piece inside there, it can clog up real easily with sand or dirt, which can easily get in there when you're changing a sprinkler head. Make sure you keep it super clean, make sure you flush it out 1 or 2 times if you have to, and that way this product will last as long as possible. Thanks for watching, and the next question we're going to answer is where you buy these sprinkler heads. Are they going to be available on the market like